Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. High Court directs government not to go ahead with MOI decision till further orders. Crucial hearing scheduled on Tuesday. Government wants to implement MOI decision in aided schools. Reverting back to Konkani or Marathi will be unreasonable, government tells High Court. Met Department cautions South Goa on incessant rains, alerts about possible landslides, floods. Major landslide hits Ratnagiri route, Konkan railway traffic paralyzed. Parrikar accepts Vishwajit Rane's challenge of an open debate, says he is opposing frauds in Rane's PPP. MOI issue tops BJP's election agenda. Coach Armando Colasso remains grounded, focuses on World Cup qualifier against UAE. Confidence sky high as India shock Qatar 2-1 in an away friendly. And Evaristo Fernandez wins Bajaj Allianz talent hunt. Saligao-based lad boards his flight of dreams to Germany on 12th August. And now the news in detail. Goa bench of the Bombay High Court on Monday directed government not to implement medium of instruction decision until further orders on the matter. The directive came after Advocate General made it clear that government is firm on implementing the decision this year. Next hearing is scheduled on Tuesday.
Three parents and educationist Pandurang Nadkarni had challenged government decision over MOI. Petition came up for hearing on Monday before the bench of Justice S.A. Bobde and Justice F.M. Race. Last week, court had asked the government to file a reply over the implementation of MOI decision. Meanwhile, government had a meeting with the monitoring committee and reiterated its decision to go ahead with the implementation from this academic year itself. Advocate General Subodh Kantak informed High Court about the government's decision. He said government has considered the report given by the monitoring committee. Government's earlier decision stands. Government has decided to go ahead with the implementation of MOI decision from this year itself. Bench has now directed government not to implement the MOI decision till further orders. However, government has not fixed a fresh affidavit in reply. It will be filed on Tuesday. The court has scheduled next hearing on Tuesday. Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Government wants to implement MOI decision favouring English in aided schools. Government in its affidavit to the High Court has said that aided schools are ready and well equipped for the shift in medium. There are 178 aided schools in Goa, out of which 138 are of diocesan and archdiocesan schools. Government has said that going back to Marathi or Konkani in this year is unreasonable.
Government has taken a stand that aided schools may be allowed to change their medium of instruction to English from this year itself. This stand of government is exactly opposite to monitoring committee's report. But government is of the opinion that aided schools are well equipped for the shift and hence holding them back would not be fair. Government says the decision may be implemented in aided schools as per the cabinet decision subject to orders of this Honorable Court. This is how government has replied to the queries raised by the monitoring committee. Monitoring committee says the child at this stage of her academic career may face trauma on account of lingual shift. It was observed that in the first and second standard, the students are taught three subjects, that is English, Marathi or Konkani, and mathematics, and an additional subject, namely environmental studies, is introduced in standard 3 and 4. It was therefore felt that there should not be much problem for the child student in standard 1st and 2nd. Second query raised is regarding textbooks. Monitoring committee says the issue of supplying free textbooks in English medium at this late stage is extremely difficult. Government clarifies. Directorate has enough stock to provide books for the teachers and aided schools. The committee felt that availability of books should not be a concern for implementing the decision in aided schools. Government, while clarifying on MOI, has taken a strong stand supporting English as medium of instruction. Government argues more than 90% of the students have opted for English medium and might have prepared themselves to study English medium. At this stage, to revert back to Konkani or Marathi in this year will sound unreasonable. Last week, Diocesan Society had informed the court that they are well equipped with textbooks, teachers and infrastructure to start English as medium of instruction. The submission of the government has acquired importance on this backdrop. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Met Department has requested people, especially from South Goa, to be cautious as incessant rain can cause some landslides and even flooding in low-lying areas. In another incident, Konkan railway services have been completely paralyzed due to one more landslide at Ratnagiri. The rail traffic will be closed for at least 24 hours.
Here are 4 main places in Goa that have received the maximum rain since onset of monsoon. Kepe has received 110 inches, Valpai 98.6 inches, Sangay 85.12 inches and Kankon 84.32 inches. Except Valpai, all other 3 places are in South Goa. Met Department says it has rained more in South than in North. Panji is having less rain with just 53.92 inches, which is not even half of Kepe. But Met Department always consider data of Panji as an average for whole state. Due to heavy rain in past 5 days, department has asked people to be cautious.
Kepe and Kankona, Sangay side, this rain is more, so there people should be, they should take care actually, because there may be some landslides also that side due to this continuous rain, some tree uprooting, landslides, and there may be chances for flooding also if this rain is continued. So within next 1 or 2 days this rain may continue. After that this may decrease actually.
But there is a big worry for passengers of Konkan Railway. For the second time in 2 days, Konkan Railway route has been disrupted because of landslide between Ratnagiri and Nivsar. On Sunday evening, debris of earlier landslide was cleared, but on midnight, another landslide completely paralyzed the route. Now there are no chances of train traffic getting normalized for at least 24 hours. 16 trains have been cancelled and 12 trains are diverted from other routes. 10772 is the emergency telephone number of Konkan Railway for general public to know schedule of the trains. Every day around 10,000 people travel through Konkan Railway between Kerala, Karnataka, Goa and Maharashtra. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Shan.
Manohar Parrikar has accepted Vishwajit Rane's challenge of an open debate on PPP of Mapsa District Hospital. Parrikar has alleged frauds in 2 major PPP projects of Health Department, the Mapsa Hospital and Albits project at Bamboli. Parrikar has said that MOI issue will top BJP's election agenda.
कर्नाटकान PPP बऱ्यापैकी चलता, आमच्या ह्या गुजरातान PPP बरे चलता, आणि why not in Goa?
दुसरी गजाल PPP म्हणजे बाय शब्दाचेरूच ते वायट जाता अशें न्हय. त्या PPPच्या नांवा सकयल चुकीचे प्रोजेक्ट जेन्ना घेतले वता आनी तातूंत भितर जेन्ना भ्रष्टाचार जाता तेन्ना ते वायट.
आयज विरोधी पक्षाचा प्रॉब्लेम कितें जाला, हांव आयज तेंच्या मतदारसंघात काम करता म्हणून तांकां मातशें खंय ना खंय खासता ते.
आनी ताणें जाय तितले BJPच्या हातून काम करता. काँग्रेसवालो तेंच करतलो न्हय. तो स्वताक खूब समजता. ही थिंक्स दॅट इज व्हेरी पॉवरफूल.
सिद्ध जाता की मनोहर पर्रीकर प्रायवेटायझेशनाचो मास्टर आसा. आय एम ओन्ली द स्टुडंट बट अ एक्सलंट स्टुडंट.
आतां तो जर म्हजो शिष्य म्हणटा जाल्यार म्हाका ताणें इतलेंच सांगपाचें की हायकोर्टान 2003 सालान या 2002 सालान म्हाका दिसता 4 लाख रुपया पेनल्टी मारलेली. ते ताणें कित्याक मारलेली ती मातशी सांगीत धर तूं जाल्यार मागीर आपोआप लोकांक लक्षांत येतलें.
येवन फेस टू फेस नाल्यार विनंती करता मिस्टर मनोहर पर्रीकार फेस टू फेस डिबेट करया तुम्ही प्रुडंटान ताका जाय त्या गोष्टी सांगू शकता ताका उत्तर दिवन दी गोंयचे जनतेक दिसता की मनोहर पर्रीकारच ज्ञान आसा.
तुम्ही तांचे आव्हान स्वीकारतात
केन्ना
ओपन डिबेटीचेर
एनी टायम ऑन अ रायट प्लॅटफॉर्म विथ अनलिमिटेड टायम फॉर डिस्कशन एनी टायम एब्सोल्युटली
टीव्हीच्या मुद्द्याचेर तुम्ही
म्हाका
आव्हान स्वीकारतात ओपन
I will be very happy to virtually expose him before the state people for his misdeeds in this PPP of Maksar.
हांगा क्लियरली मनोहर पर्रीकारान बरयलेला इन प्रिंसिपल कन्सेप्ट इज अप्रूव्ड मे बी प्रोसीड फर्दर.
जी म्हजी तो सही दाखयता ते हार्ट स्पेशलिटी
बरोबर.
क्रिएट करपा खातीर गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीन इन प्रिंसिपल हांवें एप्रुवल दिल्लें. पण ताका अजुनूय म्हजें म्हणणें आहा की सुपर स्पेशलिटी खातीर जर प्रायवेट पार्टिसिपेशन घेवन सरकारान कितें केलें जाल्यार इन प्रिंसिपल ती गजाल म्हाका मान्य आहा. सुपर स्पेशलिटी ती म्हापश्या सुद्दां केली हांच्यांनी जाल्यार म्हाका मान्य आहा. सुपर स्पेशलिटी
सांगता की विश्वजीत राणे आरोग्य म्हाका दिसता हांव तेजे पेक्षा बरो मुख्यमंत्री जावं शकता.
हांव कितलो बरो मुख्यमंत्री आशिल्लो कितलो बरो मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो हें लोकांनी सांगपाचें हांव सांगचो ना. म्हणजे खेत्या भशेन आपलीच लाल म्हणपाची म्हजी तयारी ना. काही लोकांक खेतीन जशी आपली लाल म्हणटा तशी लाल म्हणपाची तयारी आसत. विश्वजीत राणे मे बी फिटींग इन दॅट कॅटेगरी. आय डोंट.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.